Hi folks, today I'm going to teach you how to make a chessboard quick and simple in SketchUp for Schools. First thing you need to do is go edu.sketchup.com. Once the SketchUp app opens, you're going to create new. I use feet and inches. Delete the person. Grab the rectangle tool. Click once on the origin and then start dragging it out and click again anywhere. And I'm going to do 16 inches, comma, 16 inches, enter. Whoops, that says 16 feet, so here's how you fix the measurements. Rectangle tool, origin, 16 inches, comma, 16 inches, enter. And this gives our rectangular shape for the board. Now I'm going to pull it up 1/2 inch. I'm going to take the select tool, select one line, then the move tool with the option or control depending on the computer you're at to get the plus sign next to it. I'm going to drag it all the way to the other side. Click again, and then I'm going to go divided by 8. Now I'm going to use the select tool with the shift key. I'm going to select 1, 2, 3. Whoop. And if you ever select something you don't want, you can just re-click on it. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then I'm going to use the move tool with the option on a Mac, control on others. Move it all the way to the other side. Click it again and then divide it by 8. And that gives you your basic grid. Now I'm going to orbit underneath the chess set. I'm going to use the offset tool. Offset it whatever looks reasonable to you. I did about 1 inch. Then I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to go corner to corner, hit the select, then the line, corner, corner. And I'm using hotkeys on my computer, so I'm hitting the space bar to get the select, and then O to orbit, L for the line, and I'm going to go corner to corner, space bar for select, orbit, O, L line, corner to corner. Now we've got a nice, decent looking chessboard. We're going to start painting the chessboard. Easy way to do it is you can look for specific colors in the search. So I'm going to go colors, and you can do anything. Like if you want, here, let me shrink down the colors. I'm going to go to wood to show you that you can use 2 different color woods, which is always pretty neat. So I'll grab this one and go every other one. And with chess, you always have a light color and a dark color for both the board and the pieces. So I'm starting with the light color, and then I'm going to pick this for the dark color. Make it a reasonably fancy looking chess set. Then I'm going to grab another type of wood. Go around the remaining portion of the chessboard. And there you have it. Quick and simple, beautiful looking chessboard. You're going to be using this with your chess set for the next full project.